Hi, this is TradingBTC.com, and it's November 30th, 2018. Just wanted to give a video going over what is available on our website here. We designed the website to not only keep you up to date as to what's happening in the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain area, but also to give you some specific information depending on what you're wanting to learn about or stay up to date about. And we've got several pages here depending on what it is that you're looking for. So if we just take a look at some of these pages here. So obviously we've got our home page here giving you up-to-date information about what's happening in the market as a whole. And then also if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the chart here. The one thing that you can do is compare Bitcoin to another coin. So for instance, let's just put in here LTC for Litecoin. And so once you select the coin, what you're actually going to see is a comparison chart of Bitcoin to Litecoin. So you can see here that on a 1 month chart, there's a direct correlation. Whatever direction Bitcoin goes in, Litecoin goes in as well. So it's just a tool that you can use to kind of see whether the coin that you're holding or whether the coin that you're interested in is 100% correlated to Bitcoin, or whether there's some outperformance by the coin you're holding versus Bitcoin. And then if we go back here to the top, you're going to see tabs here that you can click on as well. You're going to see the Bitcoin news. Once you click on that, then you'll be able to be taken to a page that'll just give you up-to-date articles about what's currently going on with the Bitcoin space. If you wanted to learn more about Bitcoin itself, if you just put your mouse over the Bitcoin tab and then go over to Guide, you can select what is Bitcoin. And this will give you an explanation as to what Bitcoin is. It also shows a video of Bitcoin for beginners. And this guy, Antonopoulos, is one of the best speakers that the Bitcoin space has in explaining how it works, and also a little bit more technical detail as to what Bitcoin really is. And so this may not necessarily be a section that you would spend time on, but you may find that there's a friend or family member that is asking you what Bitcoin is or what blockchain is. So it's a good resource that you can either come to yourself or refer someone to, going to the What is Bitcoin tab. And there's also Bitcoin mining tab, as you can see, how to buy Bitcoin, how to store Bitcoins. So this tab here under Bitcoin is a good reference for anybody that you know, including yourself. The next tab we have here is information in regards to just the blockchain itself. And if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll find a variety of projects or products, like for instance Siren Labs, I believe it's in December, is releasing a blockchain phone called Finny. And so this tab here under blockchain is going to give you information about what's happening just in the blockchain space as a whole. And then also when you click on the tab for exchanges, this is going to give you more specific information about an exchange, what's currently going on. And for instance, you can see here at Coinbase, it's adding privacy-centric crypto Zcash. And so this tab here is just going to give you a little bit more specific information about what's happening with the exchanges. And then you also have the trading analysis section. And this section is going to give you kind of a mix of commentary about the performance of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And you're also going to see charts, more chart analysis put up here by many of the market analysts in the space. And so it's a good resource, again, when you're looking to get a little bit more information about technical analysis or what's really happening with the cryptocurrency Bitcoin market trading. We also have a tab here in regards to ICOs. It'll give you information about what's happening with some of the ICOs out there. For instance, you can see here that Kik selects Stellar over Ethereum. So this section here is just going to give you a little bit more specific information about ICOs and what's happening with them. And then we've got the last tab here. I'm sorry, the second to last, the video section. This is where you're going to find videos from around the world discussing any type of subject as far as trading and Bitcoin. It's also going to be a section where you'll see our videos posted here as well. And the last tab here, we have buy and sell. This just gives some basic information for, let's say, a beginner or someone that's looking to add an additional exchange for their portfolio. You can come here and you can see Binance, one of the top exchanges in the world right now. You've got KuCoin, you've got local Bitcoins. It's a way for people that don't have money in the Bitcoin space already. They're able to exchange with people that have Bitcoin, and they'll be able to facilitate a transfer between cash and Bitcoin. And then you've got two other exchanges here as well. So what you can see here is the site is giving information to whoever is looking for more information, whether it's trading, whether it's what's happening with the blockchain space itself, whether what's happening with alternative currencies or altcoins. So I thought I would just do a quick video just to explain how the site was designed in terms of getting information to you that you want. And our main purpose for starting the site and providing information to you is that the blockchain and Bitcoin area is very confusing from a standpoint of, if you're not really up on technology, you're not a programmer, you weren't already involved in the technology area. There's a lot of information that you have to digest, and there's a lot of confusing information. And whether that applies to just how blockchain works, how Bitcoin works, or how trading works, there's so much information. There's a big uphill learning curve. And so the purpose of why we created the site and why we're providing more content is to help you to understand what's happening in the industry, to understand and learn more about the price of Bitcoin and alternative currencies, and also to give you a place that you can go to get a consolidated block of information, so that you're not having to go to 10 different websites to feel like you're up to date on what's happening in the space. So our goal is to be a resource for you so that you can stay up to date with current information, learn more about the blockchain Bitcoin space, and then also to save you time in finding a resource to explain what's happening in the market. So again, hopefully we can accomplish our goal. I believe we will. And if at any time you have questions about anything of our content or anything about our site, just please either contact us through the site. You can also go to our Twitter feed, which is at TradingBTC1, and through our YouTube channel as well. So if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. We appreciate any feedback you can give. Thanks very much. Have a great day.